Hello guys, how you all doing? Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my aloe vera oil, just like the store-bought. So in here in my sink I've got some aloe vera here that I'm going to be washing. I'm going to wash it very well and cut the top off. And I'm going to leave in a bowl and put some water in it for all the yellowish stuff, the latex that comes from the aloe vera that is quite toxic. So I'm leaving it inside the bowl here for 10 minutes. I'm washing it. I had this aloe vera a few days ago. I was so busy I couldn't use it. It doesn't look so fresh again, but it is still wet. So you get your aloe vera. I've washed it before. I'm washing it again. You don't want any bacteria in it, so I'm washing it again. Then I cut the top off like that. I mean, if you want to use, you can use the whole aloe vera stem to do your oil. When you cut the side off and you cut it into small pieces, you can blend it with your chosen oil to make your aloe vera oil. But I'm not going to use the whole aloe vera stem. I'm just going to use the gel inside to make the aloe vera oil. This oil, you can use it on your face, your body, and also your hair. But if you're going to use the whole aloe vera, you can use it for your hair, scalp, and all. And then also the oil I'm going to be using today is fractionated coconut oil. Fractionated coconut oil is lighter. It stays light even in a cold place. So we will leave this aloe vera in the water for 10 minutes for all the latex to come out. Then we work with it. Okay, so after 10 minutes we are going to start preparing our aloe vera. I've got here my stainless steel bowl that we are going to use to do the oil. So I just cut into pieces. Take this spiky side off, and then use my knife. I've got this sharp knife. You can also use spoon. Some people use spoon to scoop the gel, but I'm using this sharp small knife to scoop my gel. So this is it. This is my gel. Put it here. So it kind of scoop it properly. There's nothing in there. So if you don't have fractionated coconut oil, you can use any oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, sunflower oil, or coconut oil itself. So look how, this is how it looks like. So look at this. This is the gel. Yeah, it takes it out properly. So it's good. So aloe vera moisturizes and protects your skin. It may boost hair growth. It can give you hair growth. And it's good for dry skin because since it's moisturizes and nourishes the skin. And those itchy skin, it soothes the skin and scalp. So if you are able to do this oil, you can use it for your face, your body, and your hair and scalp. If you have an itchy scalp, you put your aloe vera oil. Yeah. So it's a good oil. And then also, if you want to use it for just your hair, you can add neem leaf, neem powder, and add it to it, and it will help with your scalp. So I think we've got enough of our aloe vera here. I'm going to do double boiling with it. So like I said, you can use any oil of your choice. I'm going to use fractionated coconut oil. Fractionated coconut oil, it's lighter and it doesn't go hard. So that's what we're going to be using. Okay. So this is what we've got. The aloe vera here. I'm going to pour my oil. Just want to cover it up. Okay. So fractionated coconut oil is very light and liquidy. It doesn't solidify. It just stays as it is. So we're going to put this in a double boiling. So this is the double boiling. I'm going to leave it for it to boil. I've got a lot of aloe vera here. It's going to be a concentrate. Okay, so we leave it for it to boil for some time. Let's say 30 minutes on the double boiling. And by that time, everything would have been melted down. Okay. Hello lovelies. So after some time now, this is how our aloe vera oil looks like. The gel has melted down. Actually, I had to use a knife to cut into small pieces. So please, when you decide to do this oil, cut the gel into pieces so that it will melt quickly. Yes, I had to sanitize my knife and cut it through the oil because it was quite big pieces. So now it's melted. Okay. So I'm going to let it cool down. Then we sieve it. Okay. Right. Hello lovelies. So this is our aloe vera oil. This is how it looks like. So I'm going to strain it with this. It's very tiny. So I'm going to use that to strain the oil. I've got the residue at the bottom. So you make sure that there's no liquid in your oil. So I've left a little bit there. Okay, so I'm going to put my aloe vera oil in this bottle. So this is my aloe vera oil. It's a bit cloudy. And it feels so nice on my skin. Okay. It feels nice and silky on my skin. So this oil is good for your face, your body, and your hair. You know, aloe vera is moisturizing. It's good with your hair growth. It nourishes your skin, your scalp. So you can use it for the whole body. Your scalp, hair, your face. That is if you use the right carrier oil. So I'm using fractionated coconut oil, which is lighter. See how it's sunk in nicely, and it's very smooth and moisturizing. Yeah, so I'm going to put the oil inside here for keeps. So this is how you do your aloe vera. But if you want the other way, you just you cut the whole plant into small pieces, then you blend, and then you cook it. You do your double boiling or low heat if it's just for your hair. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to pour it in my bottle. It's a bit cloudy, like I said. Okay. So this is our aloe vera oil. So we only used the aloe vera gel and double boiled it for some time. Like I said, you can cut the gel into small pieces so that you can speed up the process. Yeah, and I got to know that my stainless steel, I had two, and unfortunately I doubled it. It was double, so it was taking too long to make the oil, and then later I realized I have doubled the stainless steel, silly me. Yeah, so that is it. Just cut it into small pieces and use your carrier oil of your choice: sunflower oil, olive oil, fractionated coconut oil, grapeseed oil. But mind you, make sure that you check your date, and also you are not doing too much so that you can use it quickly. Okay, so thank you for watching. subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family. And if you have any comments or anything, please say it at the comment section and put on your notification bell so that when I upload any video, you will be the first to see it. Thank you and bye.